So, as I mentioned, what I'm going to do is just going to go through how to wire one of these up. Again, if we keep the uniformed way of wiring these up, you will probably not run into any form of problems. With these sensors, just to go through, you've got obviously ground, which is your black, your power supply, which is the red, and then on the yellow, that's for your data. So what we'll do is, you get these, I don't even know what the proper name is for them, but what we do is we just break these off and just give them a little wiggle, exactly like almost breaking a paper clip, and they break off very easily. And obviously we'll need 3. And there we go. Put that to one side. Now with the, I don't know, well, this is not focusing very well. I'm just going to try something, whether this will work or not, I don't know. Trusting magnifying glass. So there we go, that works. As you can see, the standard kind of electronics that you get through, that the ends are quite nicely neatened up. So I'm not going to strip these back, and what I'll do is I'll just show on how you feed them in, and then you just crimp them up. Put that to one side. So what you tend to do is feed it in, or what I tend to do, sorry, is I'll just break that back slightly, put my wire up until it touches the far end of this. It's a shame that this doesn't focus as well as I thought it would do. And then what I'll do is I'll just pinch it down, and then what I'll do is I'll get my Pinova pliers. I mean, whether this is the actual right way or not, it worked for me, it worked for the cable that I did. Give that a quick pinch, and that one also. There we go, and that sits in there. And then obviously it's just a case of repeating same process with the remainder. You just go through this at your own pace. I'm probably trying to rush too much so I don't make the video too long, and probably the connection will fail, but hey, I'll just redo it again. Again, all these parts are really dirt cheap. I mean, all the connectors that I got from Maplin, they cost me in total £4.83 in US dollars. I think that works out to be probably something in the region of what, $5.60, $5.70. Again, I'm not using a calculator for that either. So you can see it's relatively quick to push these on and through. Squish that one down, give it a quick pinch, and there we go. Again, just so you got a uniform way of doing this, what I tend to do is I always keep, well, I keep the template one in front of me, align my wires up, so I've got black, yellow, red in the same order. Flip this around so it's the right way, which will be always good, and then you can only generally put these in one way, which will be that way. So the thing is, if you put them in the wrong way and push them all the way in, you're going to be hard pushed to get them back out again. So just double check that they're all the right way first. Just got this. Oops. Right, try again. There we go, they're in. So as you can see now, I've got 2 identical blocks. The final part is just giving them a push in, and you'll hear it click eventually. Just a bit of a press down. There we go. Just give them a little tight tug. I don't know whether you can see, I'll just show you. Trusty magnifying glass again. You have There we go. The silver marks, there you can just see them. That's where the connectors clip in. Once you've got the little click, it's almost like clicking your fingernails. As soon as you hear that click, you're all done and dusted. So there we go. Within, well, just a couple of minutes, we've managed to get the temperature sensor done up. I'm going to do another one just for my projects. I've got three temperature sensors that I want to play around with, and that's it. So once I've done that one, I'll move on how to solder it to the perf board.